Going to show you how to swap out the joystick on this 8bitdo arcade stick. Comes with a clone. It's alright. I don't know. I like the Sandwall stuff. Other video you've already seen me swap the buttons out. So here you're going to have to take the ball off the back side. Going to unscrew these 4 screws that were on here and pull this guy out. And then it pops right out. I've already got my replacement here. It's a legit Sandwall with an 8-way gate. Take that 5-pin wire. You want to make sure that the little tabs are going to be facing down. So the no tabs are there on that side. And then what I did was I actually milled out this little connector pin over here so that it fits properly. You can just file it right off. And then this guy goes right in there like so. Alright, once we got that in place, we just have to kind of do a little wire management there and then screw these guys back in place, and then you've got your joystick swapped out.